Now that you've created your very first Sway file, it's time to begin to add content. To do that, you will work mainly in your storyline view. Here, make sure you're on the storyline tab on the upper left, and by default it gives you a title slide. Let's give this project a title. Maybe this is your book report. You also can add a background image. Just clicking here gives you several options for finding an image. You can search the web, you can grab images from any source that you would like, including your computer. You can upload an image that you've previously saved, and then there are some suggestions here where Microsoft will try to help you out. All of these are part of the Creative Commons, which means you have rights to use these and you're not stealing them from someone. But you can quickly select your image and add it. Now, the most confusing part of using Sway is that your storyline does not look like the finished product. In order to preview your finished work and see exactly what your audience will see, you'll need to switch to your Design tab. When I switch here, this shows you what the finished product looks like. That is my title slide. To add more content, I will go back to Storyline, and then content in Sway is done with what is called cards. You can think of each card really as almost like a slide in your slideshow. So I have one card here that is my title slide, but I can use the plus button to add more content and more slides. I could use just a piece of text. A text card is a place where you would put words. Once you add your text, you have an option to use bold, italics, and other formatting here. You can decide if this should be small or a large part of your project. And again, switch to Design to see how this works, to see how it will look to your final audience. I have my Sway set to be a horizontal scrolling, so the users that come to visit your site will almost turn pages of the book or flip between your cards with these arrows down here. Let's add another card. Once these are added, you can check out the design. To make more changes, return to your storyline view. Once you're here, you also have an option to change what is referred to as the emphasis of this card. Right now, this card is set to have a small emphasis, but it can be medium or large. The largest option basically means that this card will be full screen. It won't share a space with another card. So as you design, there will be a lot of flipping back and forth between storyline and design to make sure that whatever you have added looks appropriate to your end user.